How to install a website as an app. In Windows 10 or 11, you can install a website as an app for easier access. In Windows 11, open Microsoft Edge. Navigate to the website you want to turn into an app in Windows 11. In this example, we'll use the HP support website for drivers and software. Click the three-dotted Settings and More button. Next, hover over the Apps option to view the available settings. Select Install this site as an app. A dialog box opens and prompts you to install the site as an app. You can change the title of the website or keep it as is. Next, click the Install button. Once installed, the app icon displays in the taskbar by default. If you prefer not to have the app icon in the taskbar, you can uncheck the Pin to Taskbar option in the App Installed dialog box. Then click the Allow button. When you navigate to the All Apps menu, the official HP Drivers and Software Download for HP Support website will display as an app. The HP icon also no longer appears in the taskbar. Right-click the new app to access its available features. Select the More option. Click the App Settings option to view the settings for the app. On the official HP Drivers and Software Download for HP Support page, you can view various specifications and settings for the app. For instance, you can choose to allow the app to run in the background while you work on other tasks. If the app is not working properly, Windows will repair or reset it. You also have the option to uninstall the app. To open the official HP Drivers and Software Download app, return to the All Apps menu and click the app. Unlike the website, the app opens with a minimalist frame and limited navigation options. There are links available for navigating to other pages or external websites. However, the app does not include a native address bar that typically displays a URL. Click the three-dotted Settings and More button to view any settings and features for the app. In the App Info pop-up menu, select the App Settings option. You can choose to have the app run automatically when you log into the device. By default, the app does not grant any permissions to the user. This means the app cannot access sensitive user data, and the user cannot modify any of the app's features. Reopen the App Info pop-up menu and hover over the More Tools option. Various tools display. For instance, if you want to open the app as a website, select Open in Microsoft Edge. You can also print or share the page, or display the page on a compatible device.